Akhirah is effective in our lives right now. You find Abu Bakr as-Siddiq radiallahu anh, the closest companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I want you to think about this for a second. What was the famous statement that he made? He said, if you were to put heaven and hellfire in front of me right now, I could see both of them in front of my eyes. He said, I would not be increased in belief by them by one atom, by one seed of belief. I already believe in them so much that even seeing them with my own eyes wouldn't affect my quality of belief in them. SubhanAllah. That's the quality of belief, that when someone is alone by themselves and they are tempted to cook the books a little bit in their accounting office, to pocket some change, to have a conversation with somebody that they shouldn't, to look at lewd material like pornography when they shouldn't, that kind of belief is what holds somebody back. The absolute conviction that this is real and that one day someone is going to have to go through that experience. Their Iman in the afterlife was huge. And they didn't value this life anywhere close to the next life. This life did not hold the weight of the next life. One of the poets, he said something beautiful. إِذَا شِئْتَ أَن تَحْيَا سَعِيدًا فَلَا تَكُنْ عَلَى حَالَةٍ إِلَّا رَضِيتُ بِدُونِيَهَا. When he was speaking about the dunya, he said, if you want to live a life of true happiness in this world, then live in such a way where you don't need it. If you want to be someone who is truly happy in this life, the hayat al-dunya, then try to live your best in a way that you don't need this life. Not that you're going to live in a way where you're constantly struggling and your family's not taken care of. No, but that in your heart of hearts, you know that this is not the end goal. And that is what the Prophet Muhammad said when he said, al-ghina ghina nafs. That true wealth, true richness is actually contentment. True wealth, if someone is rich, it has nothing to do with the amount in their bank account, because someone can be financially wealthy but still be needy. And someone can be financially poor but still be content. So true wealth, the Prophet Muhammad said, is when a person is completely and totally satisfied with this life and understands that all of their effort, all of their emotion and energy and focus should be on the next life. So the companions, what was remarkable about them was that any good that they received in this world, they used it to benefit the next world. Any car, or camel, I'm sorry, right? Any mode of transportation, any money, property, wealth, gift, any blessing they got in this life, the first thought that crossed their mind was, how can I use this to better my property in al-Akhirah?